Clear walkways, clear mind. This is commentary from James Brown. I shovel and salt my walk down to the bare concrete. Always have, always will. Some folks around here just clear a path wide enough for one foot in front of the other. Not me. The girlfriend wonders why. Well, I can't stand the thought of someone slipping on ice or trudging through the snow because I didn't take a little extra time. I hated that. I imagine they do too. I admit there's a strange satisfaction to it. The scrape of the shovel, the crunch of the salt underfoot, the sight of clean, dry concrete when the job is done. It feels productive. Like a small corner of the world is better because of something I did. Maybe it's old-fashioned. Maybe I'm a perfectionist, and in some ways, I am. But I think it's an unspoken agreement with the world. I'll do my part, no matter how small. And when I don't, I feel bad. What about you? Do you take the extra time to clear it down to the concrete? Am I going too far here? Let me know in the comments and support my work at jamesbrowntv.substack.com. On that note, I'm James Brown, and as always, be well.